Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to retouch the skin and remove blemishes from the face model. So let's get started. Over here I have our sample footage. Let's loop it so it will be easier for us later. Navigate to the color page, and from here we need to extend the effects if it's not extended and search for patch. Before we add the patch, let's create one more node. There we have it, and put the patch on the node. So this is something similar like Photoshop, but there is way easier. Here it's a little bit complicated, but I will walk you through it. Here it is. This is the one that it's sampling from, and this is the replacement. So let's scale it down a little bit, because we are going to work on this blemish here, and maybe we will touch this mold or this. Let's put it for now here on the side near our targeted area. Next thing that you need to do, go here in the tracker and make sure that the effects are on. Navigate down here at tracker point and bring the point to the area that we wanted. We're doing this to track our model, because in Photoshop it's a picture, so it's stable. Here we have movement, and that's why we need to track after we finish with the patch replacer. After we have this, we need to track back and forward. Give it a couple of seconds, and now we're done. Now we can place our patch replacer on the targeted area and bring this as close as possible so it will match the skin tone. So let's go in the edit, and there we have it. It's gone. Let's continue to the other one. Now we need to add parallel node. This is not complicated, don't worry. It's just like this, our first node and our second node. Let's go into effects, make sure that our second node is selected. This is the first patch, this is the second patch. Drop it here and scale it down. This is the sample one near our targeted area, so let's test it on the mold. So now go in the tracker, effects are on, and add one more point over here on top of the mold, and track back and forward. There it is. Now it's time to place patch replacer and try to match the color. So let's go in our first node. There we have it, before and after. Let's see it in full screen. And that's how easy it is to remove blemishes from the face. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.